Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to create this. First of all, we will create rectangle and its fill color will be off. And stroke color will be something like red. You can choose any color you want. Align this rectangle. Now select the shape layer and press Ctrl+D for duplicate the layer. This time, I will choose fill color, as same as stroke color. And drag the upper side of the rectangle. Now pick a pen tool and set fill color none and stroke color red and draw a line in the middle of rectangle. Now pick circle tool and draw the circle like this. Now duplicate this circle and shift to the right. You can change the color of those circles as you like. Now select the all layers and pre-compose it. For the now this layer will be off. Now right-click here, go to New and choose Text. You can type numbers like me. Now you can turn on the calendar layer and set the numbers like this. Now select text layer and pick rectangle tool and drag over the text to creating mask. Make sure layer should be selected if you want creating a mask. Now go to Animate and choose Position. Add a keyframe in the beginning and go to around 4 seconds and change the position something like 4. Now select this text layer and press Ctrl+D for duplicate the layer. Now press U on keyboard to visible the keyframes. And drag to the right. Select these keyframes and delete them. And change the position like this way and set it to 0. Again, I am going to animate the position like previous one. Now select all keyframes and press F9 to ease them and go to Graph Editor, set the graph like this. Now animation is done. Hope you like it. Please like and share.